Hello, today there is one gentleman who is going to come for live session, subscriber live from today for Zoom. So I'm waiting for his confirmation. So likewise, we are going to have this kind of interaction with any of our subscribers who want to ask questions related to astrology about your chart, your doubts. My Zoom meeting ID will be given below the description of this video, and you can come and have fix a time, and then we can able to interact. And it would be a very short 5-10 minutes video in which we will be able to see some of the snapshots of your horoscope, which is the purpose of this video. Okay, so one gentleman is joining, by the way, is a subscriber of our channel. So is what is his name? Mr. Divakar. How are you, Divakar? Where is your audio?
Hello.
Yeah, your audio is now okay.
Okay,
What
now,
is,
sir.
yeah, okay. What is your name?
Yeah. Yeah, my name is Divakar, sir.
Divakar. Where are you from?
Yeah. I am from Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Okay, good.
Bapatla.
Okay. What is your question, and where is your details?
Yeah, I will tell you my details, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I born on 24th December 1995.
One moment. One moment. 24.
December
24 December
1995.
1995. Okay.
Sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
And I would like,
No,
yeah,
no. What is
and
your
I want
time?
to know, yeah,
Time.
it's like 2:42 afternoon, 2:42 p.m.
2:42 p.m. Okay. And what is
Yes,
your
sir.
place of birth?
It's Bapatla, sir. Bapatla, Guntur
Spelling?
district, Andhra. BAPATLA,
Uh,
Bapatla.
Papatla.
Yeah,
Let me
it's
see
Guntur
this
district.
Papat. Let me see whether Papatla is available. One moment. One moment. Papatla. Oh my God. This Papatla is not there in the this one. Okay, one moment. Papatla is in Guntur district.
Yes, sir. Guntur
Oh,
district.
Guntur district. Latitude, longitude. Okay. Okay, 8046. One moment.
242, sir.
No problem. 8046. Let me find out the latitude. One moment. One moment, boss. One moment. 8046, 1590. Okay. 1590. Okay. So your nakshatra, you know the nakshatra of yours? It is Ravana.
Sravana Nakshatra, sir. Yes, sir.
Ravana
One
nakshatra
first pada.
third.
First pada.
No, it is showing third pada here. So that
Sir,
means
can I know that time you
20,
entered time? What
14,
time you entered?
1442.
1442, 24th 12, 1995.
Correct. So it is showing the third pada, maybe because of the latitude longitude difference. One moment.
Yeah,
Guntur
sir. Actually,
district.
it's Sravana.
Okay, Shravana is correct,
If,
but whether it is
yes. Sir,
uh,
do you want me to repeat the spelling of Bapatla once?
yeah, one more you can give, but I think it
Yeah,
is correct. It is
it's like
BA.
it's it's BAPATLA Bapatla.
Bapatla. You
You'll
don't
get
know.
it like
Yeah,
minus 8
yeah,
minutes.
understood. Now it is showing moon's first pada. Then it is correct, boss.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's Ravana first pada.
Okay.
And
So
having Rahu in 6th house and Ketu in 12th house,
yes.
and all the
I
planets
got
are
it.
placed
I
between.
got it. Don't worry. Okay. What is your name? You said
Yeah, okay, sir. Yeah, it's like Divakar, sir.
Divakar. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Divakar, you are Mesha Lagna. Okay.
Yes, sir. My Aries ascendant.
Aries ascendant. So
Yes,
first
sir.
and foremost, we have to see where is the what we should always see the very important two parameters. One is always I should see the king, and as well as I should see the queen in any horoscope.
Yes, sir.
So your king is Saturn.
Yes, sir.
Saturn king is placed in the 11th house.
Yes, sir.
And how is the king? the king is in Badakasthana.
Yes, sir.
What is Badakasthana means? Badakasthana means the king itself is in a difficult scenario.
Yes, sir.
So 11th house means Badak. Badak means the obstruction. So what is the use of this king and queen in any horoscope is, king is a very important person in any horoscope. So the king is sitting in the income. The king is sitting in the getting money from the profession.
Okay, sir.
Because 10th house is the house of career and 11th house is the house of gains from the career.
Yes, sir.
So that house, your king is placed with the Badakasthana. What is Badakasthana means? It is having obstruction. Okay. And who is your queen? Your queen is Mercury. And the Mercury is with how many planets you can see in that in the 9th house. There are so many planets in the 9th house. Mars, Mercury, Sun, Jupiter, like that. So many people are there. And out of which Mercury and how is the status of the Mercury? Mercury is combust in the chart. That means Mercury has lost the complete power to perform. In any chart, the queen should go outside to get money.
Yes, sir.
King will not move. King will just sit comfortably in one place.
Yeah.
The queen has to move around for getting money. And that queen in your chart is in a enemy house.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
Mercury is placed in a Jupiter's house. That is why it is considered as enemy's house. And also in all my video, I used to always say that I don't want any planet to be placed along with moon. In your case, I think one planet is there in your moon. That is Venus.
Yes, sir.
So whenever there is Venus, the problem is always there will be pressure in your family to get married. Because
Yes,
Venus
sir.
is 2nd lord and 7th lord. So your family people will always put pressure there is a lot of pressure from your family actually.
Yes, sir.
For your moon, from the placement of your moon, I can say there is a lot of pressure from your family.
Yes, sir.
And also you will be forced to get married. They will keep saying that get married like that.
It's not about marriage. It's something, some other problem.
So some other relationship issues will come up. So either the partners or either the business or such kind of things will come up. 7th house is a house of business also. So you should remember that it is not good. Okay. And let us see now, there are 3 planets which are not good, okay? So in your chart, I will tell you which are all the planets and we know that what are the weaknesses for that planets.
Okay, sir.
One moment, I will tell you your weakness planets. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So your first weakness planet is Rahu. So that Rahu is placed in the 6th house.
Okay, sir.
And the next planet is Venus, and the Venus is placed in the 10th house. And the next planet is Saturn, which is placed in the 11th house. So we can straight away say from this chart itself, all the main places like 6th house is a job.
Yes, sir.
Getting a job. And next important house is 10th house. In that 10th house, Venus is not comfortably placed. So Venus is having lot of pressure from the family to go to job and career, but it is not happening because there is some kind of issues coming up. But the punishment, actually the punishment for this particular chart is the king itself, that is Saturn. So what you should know that your chart, the Saturn is very, very uncomfortable in the 11th house of Badakasthana. So what is happening because of that is whenever we are going and attempting to get income from the gains from the profession, that is not happening. For any member, what is the purpose of going to the job? It is for getting increment, for getting salary, or getting some benefit. So for you, that particular planet is not allowing you to get into that kind of opportunity not coming actually. Or the income and the gains from the profession is not happening. Not only gains means only money. It is also about the position and the next level of promotion and other things, right? 11th house is all about labha. Labha means everything which is coming as income, gains.
Yes,
So that carrier is not giving that kind of that kind of income or the gain for you.
yes,
So that is the problem in your chart. And the second problem is coming from the Venus itself. So then what we have to do normally for such circumstances, whenever we are seeing for a job, you are trying for a job or business.
yeah.
First,
Actually, I'm
let
trying
me
for
see one
job.
second. Let me see what is your actual fate is written by God, which is very important. So I will just find it out and tell you.
Okay.
So the fate written by the God for you is one moment, 7 from here. Okay. So okay. Oh, okay. Fine. Okay. Now this particular both the signs are placed in here. Okay. Okay. Now as per the God's uh, written fate, they have written very clearly that you should supposed to go in business.
I should supposed to go in
Business, because that is the area of your actual God has written the destiny. But whether you are going into the profession or not, that is what we have to see now. But what God has written, that you will belong to a group of profession. If everybody is belong to only 4 groups, so among the 4 groups you belong to the businessman group.
Okay, sir.
And another one more thing
Will I
is
succeed in my business, sir?
you are actually supposed to be of a business category. Okay, but
Will I
actually
get success?
no, I will tell you. Listen to me. So your actual
Okay, sir.
planet for that particular opportunity for business is Chandra.
Yes, sir.
And how is the Chandra? Chandra is placed with Shukra.
Yes, sir.
And Shukra is a problem. So
Okay.
what is Shukra is giving? Shukra is telling that, sorry, I am not able to give you the business what you are looking for. And the king and the queen and the king and the Venus, they both putting pressure on that moon to perform on the business. So what is happening is,
Okay.
actually the God has written you the destiny for doing business. I don't know whether you have made an effort to do business or not, or whether you have an intention.
Actually, I tried, sir. Actually, I got a job. While I'm doing my job, I just don't want to do this job. I just want to go into business. My intention is to go into business. But what my family members are telling is, hey, suppose if you are doing business, how can you get married? So no, up to commencement of marriage, you just do your job, and then after, if scenario workouts, you just keep a reason for your job, and you come and do the business. Yes, they are initiating me in that way. So
Okay.
for that purpose, I have changed my mindset.
Okay. So if you
That's the problem with my family.
yeah, so I understood. That is why I told you in the beginning that there is a lot of pressure from your family.
Yeah, a lot, sir.
So a lot of pressure for from your family members for career actually. So
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so what is happening now is, now the when you want a job, the Rahu is giving a struggle. Okay, that is very
Lot of-
clear. Lot of struggle.
Yes, sir.
And moreover, your thinking is also not steady. You are actually
Yes, sir.
you are fighting with God every
Unstable.
time, asking for
Unstable
why
mind.
this is not happening, etc. So you are
Yeah.
actually fighting with the God every day. Why that is not happening?
Yes,
This is not happening, like that, because that is what you are
Yes.
doing now.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So
yes.
what you can do is, you are if you want a job,
Okay, sir.
I would prefer that you should try in a foreign country.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
If at
Okay,
all
sir.
you
Am I
want,
audible to you?
yeah, if at all you want to try for a job,
Okay, sir.
I prefer that you go to a foreign country to do that.
Yes, sir. Actually, my intention is to go to a foreign country only to do the job.
And
Will I get succeed in foreign country?
yeah, as per the chart, you are having a flair for working in a foreign country. And but actually, even though now I am telling you, but your classification group finally, whether you go for a job or not, does not matter. But finally, when after maybe 3-4 years later, again you will come back to business.
Okay. That I know, sir. That actually I know. I can't work in that type of environment.
Because
I used to come back
your
and
group finally want to become a business. That's all. Your group, God has
yes, sir.
written that this particular person will belong to a businessman category. But
Yes, sir.
if
Yes.
you want to go for a job, then you should go for foreign country. And if at all
Sure,
you
sir.
go for a foreign country, you should preferably choose a line which is connected to computers.
It's like computers.
Yeah, the line which is choosable for the line which is suitable for computers, or because your main that is lot there is lot of confusion, because this Mercury is conjuncted with so many planets, that in the ninth house. So basically that will be
Yes, sir.
engineering, that would be connected to engineering, that would be connected for teaching, that is connected for
Yes, sir.
advising. All these areas are your specialty. You are actually a
Yes, sir.
mixed masala actually. So you are having a
Yes,
flair
sir.
for teaching, you are having a flair for counseling, advising, you are having a flair for computing, you are having a flair for so many things. You are having, you are not you are
Yes, sir.
so mind wavering person. Means there are so many categories are closely associated, because your Mercury is associated with 3 planets. So that 3
Yes, sir.
planets will give you option for you to learn so many subjects. It will give you a chance for you to, because you should be a person who should be reading a lot of books. Communication, basically
Yes,
communication
sir.
is a
Yeah,
main
yeah.
area. So when communication
Yes,
is
sir.
the main area and networking is the main area, you should go into that line.
Okay, sir.
Because
But actually, I completed BTech in the stream of civil engineering.
okay, and basically, as I told you, finally after doing all this exercise, finally you will land up into business category,
Yes, sir.
because Mercury finally wants to do trade and commerce.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you belong to a businessman category. So even though if you want to go into foreign or anything, even you can try for sales, which is connected to trade and commerce. You can try for teaching or advising kind of role, management role, like that role you can choose, because you are having a flair for so many subjects. Your Mercury is conjuncted with 4 planets actually, 3 planets.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
there is lot of things you can do. And moreover, your category, I mean the category in which you belong, it is also showing lot of creative ability. You can try, you are having lot of creative ability.
Yes,
So
sir.
I don't know whether you have such flair before, but you have a lot of creative ability inside you.
Yes, sir.
So that is also you can try. But if you are seeing your dasamsha, I can see that the Jupiter is very prominent in your dasamsha also.
Okay, sir.
So Jupiter is debilitated, however, but it is a very prominent planet in your dasamsha.
Okay, sir.
So even in the dasamsha, it shows that Jupiter is very prominent. It is a second house. So have you ever tried for teaching?
No, sir. Not at all. Actually, while I'm studying, I used to gather my friends and I used to teach them a lot. They
Okay.
advised me to do MTech and you can come in teaching field that you can succeed in that teaching field.
Okay, because you had that opportunity to teach young
Yeah,
in a
sure,
younger
sir.
time. Okay,
Yes, sir. I
okay,
used to teach them a
but
lot.
as I told you, as I already dictate you that your fate is belonging to business, and you will become a businessman one day. But how far
Okay,
you
sir.
will be successful is a question mark. But you can do business very good. But
That we need to look into now, sir. How
correct,
much I will get succeed. If
correct,
I get
because
succeed, then I can get into it. If not,
correct,
then it will be a lot of problem, right?
correct. And second, since your Rahu is not well placed, you can
Sir,
able to
one thing, sir.
your
Uh,
Rahu is not well placed. Okay, so what you can
okay, sir.
do, you should write an email, and I will ask you to pray a mantra, and that mantra will help you to get a job.
Okay, sir. Sir, that means I have one doubt. That means I am also a little bit trying to learn the astrology. Like I heard that
You
Rahu
you
will be
you
doing
you
good.
can you can very well do that, because I was about to ask you because you have a very good Ketu which
Yes,
is
sir. I
placed
have
in the
knowledge.
you have a very good Ketu which is placed in the 12th house.
Yes,
So
sir.
that Ketu will promote astrology. Your Ketu will promote lot of astrology. Actually, that if you are choosing astrology, that is the best. I mean, in terms of success, that would be the best success for you.
Okay, sir. But what I used to ask you is, I
Mhm.
heard that Rahu will be doing good in Upachaya houses. It's like 3, 6, 10, 11.
Yeah, but
And my Rahu is
no,
situated in Upachaya houses.
no, because that is why our Vedic astrology, like us and others, differ. Because
Yes,
from our aspect, I will always see the king. From the
yes,
king,
sir.
the Rahu is placed in which house?
From King, it's like 1 to 8 house.
Finished. Rahu is gone.
Yeah. From King, you need to see.
King is everybody. King is a boss.
Yeah. Of course.
So I always, if whether it is astrology or cinema, you always have to follow the boss.
Yeah, sure, sir. But basically, we will consider it from Lagna, right? Because that Lagna will be signifying our
See, your
physical nature.
your king is placed in which house? 11th house.
11th house, sir.
So the 11th house is a house of astrology.
Yes, sir.
And from that house, your second house is Ketu.
Yes, sir.
That is why you will be naturally having lot of interest to learn astrology. And if you make it as a profession, I am telling you, that would be the best gain than your business.
Okay. I'll
So
practice it, sir.
yeah, so that will give a lot of gain compared to your business itself, because your chart is placed in such a way that that shows that clearly that what is supposed to come or not.
Okay.
Okay, and that is why it is.
Okay, sir.
That is what it shows.
Okay, sir.
And you know the
And
weakness. You know the weaknesses in your chart. There is weakness in the 6th house. That is Rahu is placed. That is your first struggle. Rahu will put lot of struggle, because people will say Rahu in 6th house means Upachaya. But for you, I am telling you it is a struggle. So if
okay,
Rahu
yeah,
is Upachaya, if
what I heard is it's struggle,
now
but initially it will be the struggles. After completing of
no
struggles, you'll get succeed.
no for you it will be always a struggle, because that planet wants to make you a struggle and demonstrate that struggle in a very different manner, because the Virgo is a own house of Rahu.
Yes, sir.
It is one of the house of Rahu. It
Yes,
is
sir.
it is called Pukkagar. Pukkagar means its own. It's another house for Rahu, and in that
Yes, sir.
house the Rahu makes a struggle. So that Rahu is very powerful Rahu.
Okay.
So in your case, the Upachaya Rahu, by the time it would have given you a job in hand, but you are actually asking an astrologer for job,
Actually, I got job, sir.
but you are
Actually, I
not
got job,
employed.
but
You are not employed.
yeah, yeah, I just resigned and came back.
You see, the same Rahu is responsible for that.
Okay.
He is giving, and but he will not allow you to continue.
Okay.
So the Rahu is not Upachaya. For you, it is a troublemaker.
Okay,
And the
sir.
second troublemaker in your chart is Venus. And where is Venus? It is placed in the 10th house.
Yes, sir.
It
Actually,
is,
it is good with Saturn, no, sir. Actually, it is good. It is having friendship with Saturn, right? Venus having friendship with Saturn, right?
yes, but from the Saturn, where is Venus? It is in 12th house.
12th house. 12th house means we need to go away from our home birthplace. Then we'll get success.
No, it says that profession is not acceptable to the king. The king says, I don't like the profession.
Okay.
A career, it says your king is telling internally that, boss, I don't want this man to be get employed and having a career. You see the problem.
Okay.
You see the problem.
Then
So
what
this
should
is,
I do, sir?
yeah. So for that only you have to perform a remedy. That is what I am asking what you want to do, because your career, as I told you very clearly, God has given a group for you. That group is classified as a businessman, trader or a
Okay.
businessman. What does it mean? A trader has to, whether he is working or he is in a business, he has to do trading activity. So the trading
Yes, sir.
activity means you have to do buy and sell.
Yeah.
buy and sell and having an account book of making profits and losses. That is what you are supposed to do. But you are asking question of, sir, can I be employed? So I said, no, you are not a person of getting employment, because there is a problem with Rahu, there is a problem in Venus. There is another problem which I told you is Saturn, because Saturn is placed in the 11th house. It is not allowing you to get a gain from the career. So every time when you are getting a job, by hook or crook, that job will get disconnected by some means.
Okay.
And whenever you are going to an interview also, there will be a struggle, I am telling you.
Okay.
Always the interview, when you face an interview, the interview will be having a struggle. The interview itself will put a like a blockade.
Yes, sir.
Whenever you go to an interview, the Rahu is standing there. He's telling that, no, I cannot allow you to see the interviewer. So he says that if you don't want to have that, go to foreign, then only I will allow.
Okay.
So that is why I was asking you whether you are interested to go to foreign country, if at all you want to get a job.
Yes, sir. I want to get a job.
So that if you want to get a job, he says that go to foreign country and have a job. If you go to foreign country, he will allow you to perform. If you serve in the Andhra Pradesh, the scenario will be the same. You will keep on asking questions, sir. I went to a job, again I lost the job, sir. Again I am looking for a job. Again you go to another astrologer, you will ask the same question, sir. I lost the job. He will say something, then you will again do something, but nothing will work out until you go to either foreign country, make some money, return and start some business, or in foreign country itself you should do the activity of trading, because you belong to the classification of trading. So if God has stamped you as a trader, you should do trading only. So whether the question is whether you are an engineer of civil or mechanical or electrical, doesn't matter. God has stamped you that you should be a trader. That's all. Finished.
Yes.
And the trading activity, you should rectify your Venus, because that the moon is supporting, but Venus is not supporting. Venus is saying that I will put a lot of problems there. So you have to first rectify your Venus, then only you can go in advance. Now I will just check your Hora, because I don't know whether you are watching my video regularly.
No, sir, I am not. I actually yesterday itself I subscribed to your video.
Okay. Now if you see, you are born in a Hora of moon. So that means all you are Mesha Lagna, correct?
Yes, sir.
So all the planets which belong to Mars, Saturn and Moon are all tick mark. Rest all are cut marks. Okay. So let us start from the Mesha. So Mesha is tick mark. What does it mean? It means that your body and health is okay. And is there any planet in the Lagna? Nobody.
No, sir.
Okay. Now go to the second house. There is a cross mark. Any planet is there?
No, sir.
No. So that means you should be having a recommendation always with the finance person, because you are not good in finances.
Yes, sir.
So wherever the cross is, you are not good in it. So you need a person to support you.
Yes, sir.
Or you are not so clever in managing your finance.
Yes, sir.
You are not a clever saver.
Yeah, yes.
Okay. So from the chart, we can say that clearly. And the third house is having a question mark. Is there any planet there?
No, sir.
No. So your third house is having a question mark. So there is something which is associated with your courage, your bravery, your siblings, all are in a question mark. Now go to the fourth house. There is a tick mark. No planet, but it is a tick mark. That means if I am giving a vehicle to you, you will maintain it properly.
Yes, sir.
You maintain your vehicle so clean and well.
Yes, sir.
You maintain your vehicle properly. If a vehicle is given to you, for example, I am buying a scooter and giving it to you tomorrow, you will maintain that properly. You are a person, you maintain that vehicle properly.
Okay, sir.
You also attach so much to your mother.
Yes, sir.
You are also very good in education. You love education. You love to study.
Yes.
You love to study. And
Yes,
you love your home.
Yes, sir.
Your home is very good for you. You love your home.
Yes.
But
Yes,
come
sir.
to the fifth house, there is a cross. So if I am asking you whether you like sports, I will say, sorry, I cannot tell you because the fifth house is cross.
Yes, sir.
Because if you ask me that, sir, can I become a sportsman? I will say, sorry, the 5th house is cut. And go to the 6th house, there is a question mark again. Now, who is sitting in the 6th house?
Rahu.
Correct. That is why I'm saying that Rahu has to be strengthened, because Rahu is good. For you, all the malefic planets are good as per the chart. Benefics are not good. So, malefic planet Rahu is good in the 6th house, but it is in a question mark. So, if it is a question mark, that Rahu has to be strengthened. How you will strengthen? By putting a gemstone for Rahu.
Okay.
Okay. 7th house is a house of business, and there is a cross mark. Any planet there?
No.
No. So 7th house is a cross. So you have to be very careful for before your marriage, before your business, because these are all the houses are weak. Okay. Now go to the, who is the lord of the 7th house?
Venus.
Correct. Where is the Venus?
It's in 10th house.
Correct. It is actually placed in a good house, but Venus is not good. Because the day planets are Jupiter, Venus, and Sun. These planets are not good in your chart. So Venus is not good. So if Venus is not good, because you are born in Moon Hora, night. Your chart will belong to Moon. So when it is Moon, the Moon, Mars, and Saturn is powerful. Jupiter, Venus, and Sun is not powerful in the chart. Without seeing that, I can say that. So Venus.
Sir, it means I born in afternoon, no, sir.
No. You are born in Moon Hora. That means ascendant is a 24 degree in ascendant. So when it is 24 degree, you are falling in the second. It is called as Moon Hora. So when it is Moon Hora, the Moon, Mars, and Saturn is powerful in the chart.
Moon, Mars, Saturn.
These are all night planets.
Okay, sir.
So day planets are Sun, Jupiter, and Venus.
Okay, sir.
So you see my video on Hora. So okay, then sir, you will know that the Venus have to be strengthened to become in your career. If you're asking me career, I will immediately tell you that the Moon is good in the 10th house. Who is not good? Venus is not good. How to strengthen the Venus? Put the gemstone which is associated with Venus. So now go to the 9th house. 9th house is a cross.
Jupiter.
9th house is a cross. Okay. So I will tell you now, 9th house, there are so many people are there. Mars, Sun, Mercury, Jupiter, all these people are there, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Mars is there, Mercury is there, Sun is there, everybody is there. So among that, I am very keen to look on the Mars. So that means if somebody is asking me, for example, is the person's relationship with the brother is good? I will say, I cannot say so much of surety. Why? Because Mars is good, but the placement of Mars is in the Jupiter's house. So your relationship with your brothers and sisters may not be so cordial.
Yes.
So how much the expectation you have with your brother and sister, you cannot able to meet his demands.
Yes, sir.
So you cannot meet his demands of your sister. You cannot meet your demands of your brother. So because of that, what happens? There will be some misunderstanding. Okay. Now go to the 10th house. 10th house, Moon is okay, but Venus is not okay. So what I will do for the Venus? For the Venus, I should strengthen the Venus. Okay. Go to the 11th house. 11th house is a tick mark. 11th house is a tick mark. But 11th house is a tick mark, but it is a Badak Sthana. And hence the Saturn has to be pacified. The Saturn is very good in the 11th house for you. It is very powerful Saturn, but it has to be pacified. Why? Because it has become a Badakesh. Badakesh means a person who wants to put a bottleneck for your advancement. So what you should do? You should be able to pacify him. Who? Saturn. How you will pacify? On Saturday, you can fast. Or when you go to the Saturn's relevant area, you pour oil.
I am not audible, sir. Can you repeat it? Can you please repeat it for a remedy for Saturn?
When you want to pacify the Saturn, you have to fast on Saturday.
Okay, sir.
What all you can do for a Saturn to pacify? Saturn is an old person who is starving. So you can feed poor people. Who you can feed the old man which is sitting in the streets. You can help him. So by doing so, Saturn is getting very pleased. Then he is allowing you to get all the enjoyment of gains. Now he is not allowing you to enjoy the gains because the Saturn is though powerful in your chart, it is in a Badak Sthana. And it is also acting as a Badak. That means you put a lot of struggle for your getting your gains. 11th house is a house of hopes and desires. Your aspirations. So everybody need an aspiration to get fulfilled, right? So if you want to get your aspiration fulfilled, he is telling, I will not allow you. And he says that I will allow you at my age of maturity. That is after 40. Can you wait till that?
No, we can't.
You see? And that is the video today for Aruda Lagna. Your Aruda Lagna is in Leo, I think. Yes, it is Leo. If so, the 7th house is a house where the Saturn is the 7th from the Aruda Lagna. That means your dwara, that your door for success, is closed and blocked by Saturn. Everybody wants to open the door of success and go away. And your doors have been bolted with Saturn. So to get a success and have a bolt open through the Saturn, what you have to do? You have to pacify him. How to pacify? You have to fast on a Saturday, and you have to fast on Saturday and also try to feed the poor people or who are the needy. So if you do that, then the Saturn will get so much of pleased with you. Then what he will do? He will try to get all the hopes and aspirations in advance. But however, if you are not doing that, then he will ask you to wait till the maturity of the Saturn, which happens only after 40. So if you are till the same person like Divakar, like you are talking to me, what is today, 24th June, then you will remain till the same Divakar till the Saturn's maturity. There will be no success in your life. But if you are trying to pacify your Saturn today, then your success will be achieved later.
I'll try my best. I'll fast on Saturdays and feed.
So you have understood today who is a real problem fellow for you. Your problem is Saturn in your chart. Though it is a very powerful
good,
Saturn. Even though it is a very powerful.
Though he is powerful, I will get the gains, but struggles will be there, right?
Struggle and lot of struggle. The Saturn means delay.
Yes, everything will be get delayed.
Delayed. So that delay you should avoid, because currently what is happening, that hopes and aspirations of whatever the hopes and aspirations are not happening because in the door, the Saturn is completely locked your door.
Yeah.
So you are actually enjoying a lockdown now, like a corona. Yes. So if the life is having a lockdown, how can you be successful? So to enjoy success in your chart, the most important and a crucial fellow to pacify is Saturn. Okay. And unless and until you pacify the Saturn, you will never get success, because he says that my maturity is olden age. I will not allow you to get success till your age is. The Saturn's maturity age is 40 plus. Okay. Because Jupiter is up to 40. Okay. And after that only Saturn is coming. So till the time he says that I will not make this person to enjoy any kind of success. That means because
delay get success, but it is delayed.
It will be delayed because your door is closed until the 40 time, till the maturity of Saturn. You do whatever you want to do, nothing will be successful. You can watch thousands of videos.
If I do all that remedies, that door will be open, right? If I do all my remedies, then
so door will be open. The remedies for the Badak, you have to do. What is the remedy? You have to try to please the Saturn. So you have to go to the planet Saturn's area, wherever the domain of Saturn is. You have to go and please him, whatever it is. What are the pleasing areas? Poor people, working class, old people, helping the old people. All these things are the domain. And if you do all that, Saturn is very much pleased. And if you help astrologers especially, you are helping astrologers in some way, then also Saturn is very much pleased, because Saturn, the astrologer is sitting straight in the 11th house. Your king itself is very much attached to astrology and astrologers because of this. And I am telling you today is 26th June, 24th June. I am telling you now, you can watch 2000 videos of astrology. You can meet 2000 plus astrologers. You can watch as many number of weekly predictions, monthly predictions, yearly predictions. Nothing will work out in your chart until Saturn is specified. Is it very clear dictation from me? Very clear. Because I am 32 years in this field of Vedic astrology. 32 years. My experience is 32 years. You can understand how far I am telling you. So this particular Saturn will keep always your bottleneck like this. And your Ketu, which is...
I need to do remedy for...
You should do remedy. And your ninth house is also having a cross, you see. So ninth house is a mixed result. So if I'm asking you that are you treating your mother?
Doubt, sir. It's like,
are you treating your mother and father same? I will say sorry. I cannot vouch on you. Why? Because the fourth house is having a tick mark.
No.
But ninth house is having a cross. So the mother is much attached than your father.
Yes, sir. Of course, it's true.
Always it will be true. No, my Vedic astrology is direct on the fundamental. There is nothing like this. So it is always like this. You are attached very much to your mother, but not to a father. So your father is having a mixed masala over there. So there is a lot of pressure, lot of problems which you can face from your father. But from your mother, it is very clear. She is very attached to you, very much attached. She is having a lot of love and attachment for you, but not father. There is some friction. And the same kind of problem is happening with your brother also. Because brothers and sisters also the same friction is available. So the friction is there actually between them. Yeah, always there. And the mother, very much attached. You are also attached to home. I already have given all the answers to you. 7th house is a cross. And who is the lord of the 7th house? So that is a problem. Unless and until you specify the Venus, it is not so okay in your married life. Because whatever you are having across is a problem in your life. If you ask any question instantly, I will tell you the answer. Today, you know that every even signs are cross. Every odd signs are tick mark for you. Except 3 and 6, all other signs are odd signs are having a tick. But the 3rd and the 6th is having a question mark. That is why your job also have become a question mark. 6th house is a job. So that is a question mark. So, but 7th house is a house of business that is having a cross. So if you want to get married or if you want to get a suitable married partner and marital life, you have to strengthen your Venus. Why I am saying that? Because Venus have gone into a friendly house of Saturn. But he is placed in a cross house.
Cross house in the sense, sir?
That is Saturn's house.
Okay. It is not a house.
Sorry. Saturn house, it is tick mark. But Venus is a cross.
Okay.
So when a tick mark house, when a cross has gone into the tick mark, you need a small kind of enhancement, like a small gemstone or something, so that your life will be better in those areas.
Okay.
But you are having a very strong moon. That is why I am saying that your mother is so much attached. And she is also supporting so much for your career. I am telling you now.
Yes.
She is very much supporting for your career.
Yes.
When whatever you say, she is telling, okay, like that.
Yeah, she is telling that.
So she is very much supporting. But I cannot say the same word for your father. But mother is very, very supportive for you. Mother is very supportive, but not father. Father is having some friction. Mother is very much attached. She says she gives all kind of support for you, for your career also. She says, no problem, I am there, like that she's saying. But father, no. There is some problem. So what you have to understand is, if you want to have a job, and that too, that job you want to have it immediately, you have to write an email to me and I will give a mantra. That mantra you have to recite continuously for you to get a job. And I have already dictated that you should become a businessman or a trader, which is a stamp given by the God. One day you will do though. You will become and say that, yes, sir, what you said that day was true. I have become a businessman.
Will I get gains through that? Will I get success?
That success only, I'm telling you, I would have given you a straight away answer, but here the king, he is telling that, sorry, I cannot give you the guarantee. That is why in your chart, every answer is kept and hidden within the Saturn.
Okay. Up to my maturity age, ups and downs will be there, right?
Yeah, now you have understood that. Because Saturn is telling that I am having a longer maturity.
When I cross my 40, then everything will be stable.
Then only the door is opening.
Sir, what about it's like up to my 34 years, I'll be having Rahu Mahadasha. Then after I will be getting Jupiter Mahadasha. That all written in my book. What do you comment about that?
So I already told you, Rahu Dasha is a Dasha of struggle.
And it has written in my book, it's like initially you will get a lot of struggles. Once you get married, you'll get enhancement in your career and everything will seem to be worked out to you
now
in favor.
Now,
what do you comment about that?
Now, if you see, your Rahu is a struggle. Okay.
Yes.
So the first and foremost for you, based on your moon's position, is your security in your life is having job. Okay. Your security in life is not to get married. Your security is to remain a bachelor. Then only you are actually happy, because you want to settle first and then marry. Then you are another one more is you love to have pets. If you have pets, then that would give a social security for you. If you are having a job, that will give a social security. Until you get a job, there is no social security for you. Every person wants social security. What does it mean? That means only till the time we get a security, the people will tell that, okay, everything is okay, all right with this person. Until you are not secured, people will continue to say, ye kya kar raha hai? What is he doing? What is this fellow doing? He's wasting his time, he's wasting his resources. Like that, everybody will curse. But if you try to get a job and remain there, then people will say, yeah, he's socially secured. Now people will start coming with a girl, get married, and all these things happens. Until and unless you get a job, there is no security at all in your life. Social security is not there. So currently your status is also the same. You are not having social security. So because the social security, what is the reason for you not getting social security is because of the job. And who is Rahu for you? I will tell you who is Rahu. Rahu is spouse for you. So you can also get a security by getting a spouse, marriage.
Yeah,
Rahu is your spouse. So if Rahu is your spouse, you also can get a security through your spouse, getting married. So these are all areas there for you.
Will I get good spouse? It's like, what about our understanding?
That I will not answer. Today the question is for today the question is for career. Let us talk only about career.
Okay. That means just want an enthusiastic.
So immediately I told you that these are all the struggle area. The spouse is also a struggle. Rahu is a struggle, no? I told you all the answers are remaining the 3 planets which I given you. Rahu, Venus, Saturn. As per the layer. Here it is lower Rahu, then Venus, and then Saturn. There are 3 blockades you have to cross. Among the blockades, who is the maximum? Saturn. Among the most, who is the most superior in your chart is Saturn. So he is telling that you leave all of them. You first specify me, then only I will tell you what it is.
If king is good, everything will work out.
Yes, simple. So your king is sitting in a Badak Sthana. So the Badak Sthana king,
subtractions.
It is already under checkmate. When the Raja is in checkmate, what a chart can do. Even though the queen wants to do many things, but king is already in checkmate.
Yeah.
So when the king is checkmate, what I will do with the game? My game is already over.
Yeah. If I get that Saturn remedies, then everything will work out for me.
Correct. Because from before the game starts, the king is already with the checkmate with the 2-3 moves checkmate already.
Okay.
The king just made some 2-3 move. Before that moves, already the king is checkmate.
Okay.
So when the king is checkmated, then what I have to talk about rest of the planets, because already the game is over. Chess is all about the king, no?
Yes.
When the king is checkmated, the game is finished. Then you cannot say, sir, I am having 2 elephants now, 2 horses. I am having one beautiful.
Nothing will work out.
Nothing will work.
King will be the kingmaker of the
Correct. So that is why my astrology, if you really see, I am very, very unique in my predictions. I am very unique in my
Sir,
approach.
what type of astrology you are following? It's like
I am following our
female
basic Vedic astrology, which starts from the Panchanga.
okay, but you are seeing it from king, right? You are not
Correct.
seeing it from Lagna.
No,
You
because
only see it from Lagna.
because for me, it's astrology is like a chess game.
Okay.
So if I have to play chess, then I have to play the game is also like chess only. No, who is the
Sir,
chess?
now after lockdown, I am going to try for job. Will I get the job or not?
For that, I told you already. Unless and until you pray that mantra, you won't get a job. So for that, you have to write again an email asking for that mantra.
Okay. If I pray that mantra, then I will surely get the job.
Correct. You will get that job. If you continuously pray, the praying sequence also I will tell you. It is 108 into 3 times you have to do per day.
100 into 8.
108 times into 3.
108 times. Okay.
Into 3. Morning.
Okay, into 3.
Morning, afternoon, evening.
Okay.
3 times you have to do before the sunset.
Okay.
So if you do that, then within short span of time you will get recruited. That's all.
Okay.
What else you want?
What else means next?
Okay.
I just want to know like how it will be.
Okay, so I think you have a
Will
wonderful
be
session. You have a
struggles
wonderful
will
session.
be continued. Struggles will be continued. Or
You are running a rich dasha, Rahu dasha. Rahu is the first planet of struggle. So you should know that
Okay.
there is always a struggle for your job. So all the questions don't ask. I already given the answer.
Okay.
So there will be always transformation in your job, because from the king there is Rahu is in 6th house. Sorry, 8th house. So there will be frequent job changes, because when you go to a job again after 1 or 2 years, you don't like it, you quit. Again you go for another job. Then again you will quit, you will go for another job. Like that it keep on continue. Because Rahu is a struggle. Because from the king, the Rahu is in 8th house. And the Rahu is running the dasha.
Yeah.
So when Rahu is running a dasha, this keep on continue like this. So if anybody is telling that Rahu is Upachaya, forget that fellow. You tell him that I have already proved with another astrologer. His predictions was correct. Because Rahu is not a Upachaya for me. It is always giving a frequent break.
Yeah.
It is making
I
you to
breaks in my education.
Yeah, because Rahu is not a good planet for you. Because Rahu is, even though it is placed in the Virgo, it is own sign. It is a Pukka house, but still it is a question mark there. It is given a question mark, right?
Yes, sir.
So question mark is always a question mark. I want either a tick mark. I want either a tick mark or a cross. Then answer is very clear. If there is a question mark, then there is lot of confusion.
Yeah.
Because then I cannot give any answer, because it is a question mark.
And as you said that God has written me a business, right?
Correct.
Yeah, but what about my finance? I'm not that much good in finance.
Finance.
Can I get? Yeah. Can
Finance, I already told you are not good in finance, because your 2nd house is having a cross.
Okay.
Because 2nd house is a house of Venus, no?
My life.
2nd house is
life, it will be continued.
2nd house is a house of Venus.
Yes, sir.
And Venus is joined Moon. Moon is very good for you. but
Okay,
not
sir.
Venus. Venus is telling that I will not allow this man to enjoy finances. Finance very weak. So what you have to do? You have to strengthen the Venus.
Okay.
So I told you
So
answer
like what
already.
type of, yeah, what type of stone I need to wear, sir, for Venus?
That all you can ask separately to me by email. Then you will know, because each and every planet you can able to strengthen it. In your Venus case, your Venus is not that much weak actually. The chart it is very good, but Venus need a
Yes, sir.
little bit of boost. That's all.
Yeah, yeah, boosting. It require a boosting.
It is not worst in your case. It is only need a
Yes, yes.
boost. What is
Boosting.
worst in your case was Mercury. That is the carrier,
Okay.
the queen of the chart. That is in the chess. The queen is also a very good planet. No, that
So a
Mercury
lot of
is,
degree difference is there, na, sir.
yeah,
It's like
degree
the sun
difference
is
is
in
there, and also there is
8
Jupiter is
degrees and it's
combust in
like
the
24 degrees.
Jupiter is also combust
24
in
and
the chart.
28.
Jupiter is also combust, and there should be a planetary war also,
Yeah.
because there is a planetary war between Mars and Mercury. So now in the Mars and Mercury war, Mars is losing. That means your your knowledge, Mars is your knowledge actually. Your knowledge is not giving that much performance in the ninth house. So whatever the knowledge you gained, whatever you studied, like for example, you said that you studied civil engineering, but that too, that particular Mars would have given lot of confusion related to education actually, whether to study this one or to study that one. So much of confusion. And finally, what are you going to do which may not be connected with your education at all? That is what going to happen. So I don't know whether you are going to pursue the career in the same line of what you educated. I don't think so, because your Mars is completely defeated in the in the chart. So when the Mars is getting defeated, I don't think so that you may able to continue in your own profession. I mean, whatever the education which you study, whether you can able to perform your job with the same knowledge what you gained in the civil engineering, I don't think so. So are you in the same line? Are you willing to go in the same line of civil engineering?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to go in that.
Yeah, but as per this, there is a lot of confusion if you go. When you go to civil engineering, there will be a lot of confusion. Your mind will be busting actually every day to come out
Yes,
and
sir.
do something else.
Yeah, yeah.
Because when you go there, there will be a lot of chavos.
Yeah.
There is a lot of confusion. Even though you are willing to get a civil engineering job, but you may not be peaceful at all. Why? Because Mars is completely defeated in your chart. And who is winning against the Mars is Mercury. So Mercury is keep on telling, come on to business, come on to business, come on to business. But Mars is telling, no, I will be want engineering. So when they both confront each other, there will be a lot of confusion. Mercury is telling, come on, come and do business. Mars is telling, no, I want to do civil engineering job. But finally, what I told you is, I have given you the stamp of businessman. So that is the answer.
That what I want to know is ultimately we need to get success, right? Even it is business, even it is a job, ultimately we require success, right? That will be
Correct.
in my business, right?
And your mother is going to be the person who will show the doors for your business.
And can I know which type of business are favorable for me? Like finance, is it favorable for me?
No, business will be. I have already given you that the signal is already given that it will be business. But what kind of
Which type
business?
of business?
That will be, you have to see through the Capricorn. Whatever the association of Capricorn you can do. Anything associated with iron, anything which is connected to steel, anything which is connected to those areas.
Okay,
So
it's not like finance.
Capricorn is ruled by steel and iron. And you can also do finance because Venus is a house ruler of second house. You can do that also. But after doing the strengthening of Venus, as I told you.
Okay, after strengthening of Venus, I
So you can do properties, you can do building construction, you can do that area also. Real estate.
okay.
Real estate,
Yes.
finance, and all that. But when you say finance, always remember you should strengthen your Venus.
Okay, sure.
But for Moon, no need. Moon is already Moon is very happy.
Okay, just I need to give a boost for my Venus.
You should give small boost for Venus.
Okay. And if I do that remedy for Saturn, everything seems work out for me.
Yes.
I'll personally mail you. Can you send me that mantra?
Sure.
I'll daily do that.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Thank you. How was my prediction?
Excellent. Everything is. I will definitely recommend to my friends.
Okay.
I'll
Thank
ask
you.
them to subscribe you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.